everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Alan Truman Blow Brush. But before we begin, if you're new here, I'm Paramjeet, a professional makeup and hair artist, and I post beauty related content here. So if you are interested, please consider subscribing to my channel and also hitting that small bell icon right next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. Being a professional hairstylist, I do own a professional heavy-duty blow dryer along with different sizes of blow drying brushes and combs in my professional kit. However, I wasn't blow drying my own hair very often until recently. Over the past year or so, I have been making a lot of YouTube and Instagram content. So either it's YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels or even long form YouTube videos like this one. I want my hair to look manageable in all of these videos that I make. So that is when I saw that I'm blow drying my hair much more often than I earlier used to. But when you're doing it once in a while, blow drying your hair is still okay. But when you have to do it quite regularly, it becomes really tedious because the blow dryer is a very heavy instrument and holding it over your head for a long period of time and trying to pull and tug and style your hair is all the more difficult. So that is when I was looking for different alternative where it would be a little more easier, although it might not look fully ekdam sleek and straight, but I just wanted my hair to be frizz free and looking just manageable. And that's when I came across this product called the Blow Brush. Now when I learned about Blow Brush, I was really inquisitive about what is a blow brush. Now basically a blow brush is a combination between your blow dryer as well as your blow drying brush, and because it's a combination and you do not have to handle two different tools, it's much easier to use, and it gives you a similar kind of an effect, not exactly but similar kind of effect as a blow dryer. Once I decided that I'm going to get a blow brush, I researched on the different brands that are available in India which carry a product which is similar to the blow brush. And among the brands available, I zeroed in on two brands. One is the Alan Truman Blow Brush and the other one was Revlon One Pro Styler and Volumizer. Once I had zeroed in on two brands, I started doing further research on them. That's when I realized that the Revlon Pro Styler and Volumizer has only recently been brought to India and that's available only on Flipkart, as compared to the Alan Truman Blow Brush, which is available on Nykaa. But the number of reviews were very much higher of the Alan Truman Blow Brush as compared to the Revlon Pro Styler. And I noticed that the Alan Truman had very high number of positive reviews as compared to the Revlon Pro Styler. That's why I decided to purchase the Alan Truman Blow Brush. Another point that helped me make that decision was Flipkart. I haven't had a very good past experience with purchasing products off Flipkart, and that's also the reason, one of the reasons why I chose to go with Nykaa and purchase the Alan Truman Blow Brush from Nykaa. So here's the pack that I received from Nykaa. Let's start the unboxing. So it comes in a packaging like this, and so there you go. This is how it looks. So this blow brush retails for 3,499 and I got it from Nykaa for 2,549. I will link this product in the description box below so that you can go and have a look. Now I got the Alan Truman Blow Brush in the gold variant. On Nykaa itself, you get different variants of the same Alan Truman Blow Brush. Basically, there are different colors. So you can have a pink and black combination, a yellow and grey combination, a purple one, a green one. So depending upon whatever color you want, you can choose whichever one you want. Now let's start opening this one. This is so huge and it's got a really long cord also. It's very lightweight as compared to a blow dryer, and the bristles are also really nice and soft. Let me show it to you up close. So it has different setting levels. So you have high, low, cool and off. It has a combination of two different type of bristles, which I believe will help in getting the frizz out, and it has a 360-degree heavy-duty swivel power cord as well. The manufacturer claims that the blow brush can be used on wet hair as well. However, you have to towel dry your hair before you start using the blow brush. I'm going to be using this on my dry hair first. This is mainly because I do not like to use any kind of brush on wet hair because it leads to some kind of pulling, tugging, and maybe some level of hair fall as well. So that's why today I'm going to be using on dry hair. Maybe next time I will try it on wet hair as well. This is how naturally my hair looks. It's not really straight, it's kind of wavy. So sometimes I just style the lower half and I'm good to go with that. However, today let's see how it makes a difference when I start using the blow brush. Since this is a heating tool, I'm going to be using a heat protection spray on my hair before I start using the blow brush. And I'm using my regular Berina heat protection spray. Now let's start using the blow brush. There are 3 different levels in this: cool, low and high. So maybe I'll first start with low, and if I feel that it's too less, maybe I'll move into the high. Now let me first detangle the hair. It's quite detangled. Now let's divide it into sections. It just makes it more manageable. And now I'm going to blow dry this section. So this is how it has come out. It's not exactly professional. It's not like straightening, but it's blow dried. It's lightly blow dried. Let's go to the second section now, and I'm taking really thick sections. So this is the blow dried and this is the non-blow dried hair, fresh hair, and see that it's quite wavy and frizzy. However, this side is quite better. Mind you, I haven't as yet used the serum on it. Usually when you do a blow dry, you have to use a serum on top of it so that it stays frizz free for some time. Now let me also finish the other half. And this is the completely blow brushed hair. This half actually took me much less as compared to this one, and here I just took 3 big sections and blow brushed each section, and it was much faster. And what we do in blow drying is we take very small sections and then blow dry hair. And when you blow dry it in such small sections, it comes out much straight and also frizz free as compared to the blow brush. The blow brush also did take away some level of frizz, but actually this kind of a look looks more manageable. It looks more maybe natural as compared to your strong blow dried hair. That does look actually you've got it done professionally. This might look as if naturally my hair may be like this, but I think I like this effect much better because it's not always that I want a strong blow dry on my hair, and since the amount of heat that is applied on my hair is much less because it's for a very less time, so that's why the damage is also comparatively going to be very less. That's what I really like about it. Another good thing is that it has given sufficient volume to my hair as well. Since I did not want too much volume, I did not apply it on my roots. So if you want too much of volume in your hair, you can also use the same blow brush, especially targeting in your roots. Then maybe you can get a lot of volume in your hair as well. The blow brush also did not pull or tug my hair a lot. If you look at the brush after I have used it, there are not many hair strands which are entangled in it, and that way it was really good. So all in all, I really love this product, and I will recommend it to anybody who regularly blow dries their hair. But if you want really strong blow dried effect, then maybe you cannot use the blow brush. Otherwise, it's a total win. I really love it. The next time I'm not going to blow dry my hair unless I want a strong blow dry. If I want normal manageable hair for a party look or for just to go out or something, just for it to look frizz free, then the blow brush is what I am going to pick up. So that's it from me for now. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit that big fat thumbs up button for me, and also share this video with your family and friends. I will be eagerly waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Until then, I love you guys so much. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.